everybody, it's Jessica from Jessica Johnson, and today I'm back with this bun style that I combined with two Dutch braids. I did that for our last ballet show. So I'm just parting my hair right in the middle. I'm doing this with the comb, and then I'm taking the section from the front right until behind my ear, and I do some little ponytails just to clip the hair away. So here my left hand side and then my right side, exactly the same parting until behind the ear. Now I'm having the two front sections into ponytails, and then I'm taking the back and I am doing not high and not low ponytail with the rest of the hair, so right in the middle, more or less on the height of the ear. Now take the front hair, take a section from the very front, split it into 3 strands and do a regular Dutch braid. So I'm always bringing first the strand under and then adding in some hair. So bring it under, grab some hair from the sides and add it to the strand that you just brought under. I am holding, when the strands are smaller, everything with my fingertips. I don't need a comb, nothing, just trying to have the result more or less neat, and then I'm braiding until the very end. Just the hair that I parted at the very beginning, and then I'm pancaking the braid, so I'm pulling the outer edges to make the braid wider. Then, when the pancaking is how I like it, I'm taking a little elastic and I secure the braid. This is the first braid. You can always adjust a bit, and now do the same thing on the other side. Bringing under the middle, I do the first stitch and then I add in some hair. And you see I always start at the beginning of the hairline to go through with my fingers, pulling the new hair in the direction where I want it to go, and then adding it to the strand that I just brought under. When there's no more hair to add in, you just keep on braiding a bit more. Pancake. You don't have to braid it until the very end. You can start to pancake already now before you braid the ends. Sometimes it's easier. And then finish the braid, secure it with a tiny elastic. And now you have 2 braids, and I'm going to cross them over the ponytail. Here you see it better. Cross them over. And then take another elastic and secure it under the ponytail. That's a very easy way to fix the braid and to hold them in place. This is what you have then. You can leave it even like this and do a ponytail with 2 cross braids. But I want to do a ballet style, so I'm taking the ponytail into the front, tying the braids together, and I'm taking out those 2 elastics. I just pulled them out. It's better to cut them out, I know, but to cut out my hair in the back is something that I do not try. Now I'm taking 2 sections and I'm starting with the first half of the hair to wrap it around the base of the ponytail. And here I'm doing then the second strand the same way. It's just wrapping around itself and then around the base of the ponytail and clipping everything into place. Use bobby pins, so I'm using the bun pins here, and that is the final result. 2 braids, pancaked, Dutch braid, by the way, very easy everything lift up into a twisted bun. I hope you like it. And if you're new on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you back soon. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.